Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of survival gadgets, which can mean the difference between life and death in extreme circumstances. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a prepper, or simply want to be prepared for anything, these gadgets are essential additions to your survival kit. Let's dive in. First, we have the tactical multi-tool. This versatile tool is similar to a Swiss Army knife on steroids. It is a compact device that includes a knife, saw, screwdriver, and bottle opener. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or navigating the urban jungle, the tactical multi-tool has everything you need to handle any task or challenge that comes your way. Next, we have the solar-powered portable charger. In today's digital age, staying connected is critical, even in remote areas. This portable charger uses solar energy to power your devices, allowing you to stay connected with the outside world, no matter where your adventures take you. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring off-the-grid locations, this solar-powered portable charger ensures that you never run out of battery power when you need it most. Now, let us discuss the waterproof fire starter. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling for assistance in survival situations. This waterproof fire starter allows you to start a fire even in wet or windy conditions, providing a consistent source of heat and light when you need it the most. Its small size and sturdy construction make it an indispensable tool for any outdoor enthusiast or survivalist. Moving on to hydration, we have the water purification bottle. Clean drinking water is critical for survival, particularly in emergency situations where access to safe water is limited. This bottle has a built-in filtration system that removes bacteria and contaminants from water, allowing you to hydrate safely while on the go. Whether you're hiking in the backcountry or dealing with a natural disaster, the water purification bottle ensures you have access to clean and safe drinking water, no matter where you are. Another must-have survival tool is the tactical flashlight. A dependable flashlight is essential when navigating through the wilderness at night or searching for supplies in low-light conditions. This tactical flashlight is built to last and has features like adjustable brightness levels, strobe mode, and a built-in glass breaker. Its rugged design and powerful beam make it an essential tool for any survival kit. Introducing the lightweight emergency tent, a small portable shelter for emergency situations. This tent is simple to set up and offers protection from the elements, keeping you safe and dry in inclement weather. Whether you're stranded in the wilderness or need shelter during a disaster, the lightweight emergency tent provides peace of mind in safety. Its lightweight design and compact size make it simple to transport in your backpack or emergency kit, ensuring that you're always ready for whatever Mother Nature throws at you. Now let's talk about navigation with the GPS tracker. In survival situations, knowing your exact location can mean the difference between life and death. This rugged GPS tracker allows you to navigate with confidence, even in remote or unfamiliar terrain, ensuring that you get to your destination safely. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring off-the-grid locations, the GPS tracker gives you peace of mind and security, allowing you to concentrate on your adventure without fear of getting lost. The next item on our list is the emergency whistle. In situations where calling for assistance is not possible, a loud whistle can draw attention and alert others to your location. This compact and lightweight whistle is engineered for maximum volume and penetration, making it an indispensable signaling device in emergency situations. If you're lost in the wilderness or trapped in a confined space, the emergency whistle can help rescuers find you quickly and easily, potentially saving your life in an emergency. Introducing the paracord bracelet, a versatile and multifunctional survival tool. This bracelet is made of high-strength parachute cord, which can be unraveled and used for a variety of purposes, including shelter construction, gear security, and makeshift repairs. The paracord bracelet's compact and wearable design ensures that you always have a reliable rope at your disposal, whether you're camping in the wilderness or in an emergency. Now let's talk about first aid using the emergency medical kit. In an emergency, having access to medical supplies and equipment can make the difference between life and death. This comprehensive medical kit includes essential items for treating injuries and illnesses, allowing you to provide emergency care until professional help arrives. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring remote wilderness areas, the emergency medical kit gives you peace of mind and security by ensuring that you're prepared for any medical emergency that may arise. Moving on, we have the magnesium fire starter. This small and lightweight tool produces sparks that can ignite tinder, allowing you to start a fire quickly and easily, even in harsh weather conditions. The magnesium fire starter is an essential component of any survival kit due to its long-lasting design and dependable performance. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or in an emergency, this fire starter will keep you warm, allow you to cook food, and signal for help when necessary. Introducing the portable water filter, a small and effective device for purifying water in the wilderness. This filter removes bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants from water sources, providing you with safe and clean drinking water no matter where you are. Whether you're hiking, camping, or in an emergency situation, the portable water filter gives you peace of mind and security by keeping you hydrated and healthy in any environment. Now, let's talk about shelter with the emergency blanket. In an emergency, staying warm and dry is critical for survival. This lightweight and durable blanket reflects heat back into your body, providing insulation and protection from the elements. Whether you're stranded in the wilderness or seeking shelter during a disaster, the emergency blanket provides critical protection and comfort, allowing you to remain safe and comfortable in any situation. The survival whistle, a small but effective emergency signaling device, comes next on our list. This whistle makes a loud, piercing sound that can be heard from a long distance, drawing attention and alerting others to your location. The survival whistle is a must-have tool for any survival kit due to its long-lasting design and dependable performance. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring remote wilderness areas, this whistle allows you to call for help when necessary, increasing your chances of being rescued in an emergency. Introducing the solar-powered lantern, a versatile and energy-efficient emergency lighting solution. This lantern charges with solar power during the day and provides bright and long-lasting illumination at night, allowing you to see and be seen in any situation. Whether you're camping, hiking, or experiencing a power outage, this solar-powered lantern is a dependable and environmentally friendly lighting solution that provides comfort and security in times of need. Introducing the emergency solar-powered radio, a reliable communication device for emergency situations. This radio is powered by solar energy, allowing you to stay informed and connected even when other power sources are unavailable. With its built-in AM/FM tuner and NOAA weather band, you can receive important updates and emergency alerts, ensuring that you're always aware of changing conditions and potential dangers. Next on our list is the compact folding shovel, a versatile tool for digging, chopping, and self-defense. This compact shovel folds down to a portable size, making it easy to carry in your backpack or vehicle. Whether you need to dig a fire pit, clear debris, or defend yourself from wild animals, the compact folding shovel is up to the task. Its durable construction and multifunctional design make it a valuable addition to any survival kit. Last but not least, we have the emergency sleeping bag, a lightweight and durable shelter solution for emergency situations. This sleeping bag is made from thermal reflective material that reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and protected from the elements. Whether you're stranded in the wilderness or seeking shelter during a disaster, the emergency sleeping bag provides critical insulation and comfort, ensuring that you can rest safely and comfortably until help arrives. These are only a few of the essential survival tools that every man should have. Whether you're an urban adventurer or a nature lover, these tools will keep you safe and prepared for anything. Thank you for watching today's video on essential survival gadgets. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, being prepared is essential for staying safe in any situation. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one, and set the notification bell to never miss an update. Stay alert and prepared until we cross paths again.